Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 3G Expenses. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. So we can move to the step number 1. Step number 1 is open the Excel workbook. Student Excel 3G expenses. Excel is downloaded with this project. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the step number 2. So step number 2 is in the expenses worksheet, calculate a row total of each expenses item in the range F5 to F9. Go to the expenses worksheet. Expenses worksheet. Calculate the row total for each expenses item in the range F5 to F9. Type is equal to sum function. Double click sum function and calculate the total of each expenses. Press enter. F5 to F9. Next is calculate the column total each quarter and for the annual total in the range B10 to F10. Copy the range B10 to F10. Calculate the column total for each quarter and annual total in the range. Type is equal to, type the sum function, double click sum function and B5 to B9. Close bracket and press enter button. We show the F6 to F9 are formatted with the comma style and 0 decimal places. Comma style and 0 decimal places. Copy the formula. Apply the comma style and 0 decimal places. Comma style, number group and 0 decimal places. Click OK. So step number 2 is complete. We can move to the step number 3. So the step number 3 is in a cell G5 construct a formula to calculate the percentage of total by dividing the annual total for salary and benefit by the annual total for all quarter. Use the absolute as reference. The necessary format the result percent style and then center. Go to the G5 cell selected and construct a formula calculate the percentage of total by dividing the annual total for salary and benefit by the annual total for all quarter. type is equal to F5 divided by F9. Press absolute F4 button and press click enter button. Format the result percent type and the center. Sorry. Type is equal to F5 divided by F10. Press enter F4 absolute cell reference. Press enter the button. So the person style and the center. Person style, center. Fill the formula down through the cell G9. So step number 3 is complete. We can move to the step number 4. So step number 4 is use the 3D pie chart to chart annual total for each item. Move the chart to new sheet and then name the sheet annual expenses chart. 3D pie chart, annual total for each item. To the annual and annual total. Annual total each item. Use the 3D pie chart. Go to the insert tab and select the pie chart and 3D pie chart. Move the chart to new sheet and the name to the sheet annual expenses chart. Copy the new sheet name. Right click and move a chart, new sheet, and paste the new sheet name. Click OK. So question number 4 is complete. Go to the step number 5. So the step number 5 is add the text for the chart title element, type the summary of annual expenses and then change the font size 28. Chart title element, copy the chart title, type the chart title, paste the chart title. And then change the font size 28. Select the chart title and font size is 28. So step number 5 is complete. We can move to the step number 6. So question number 6 is remove the legend from the chart and add a data label formatted so category name and percentage display the position in the center. Remove the legend from the chart. Go to the chart element button, deselect the legend and then add a data label formatted so the category name and percentage. Add a data label, more option, category name, percentage, only category name and percentage display position in the center. Format the data label by applying font style bold and italic. Applying the font style bold and italic. And a font size 12 pt. 12. Change the font color, the first column, click the first color. Font color is the first column, first color. So question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So the question number 7 is format the data series using the 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel under bevel. In the first row, apply the first bevel effect. Format data series. Format data series. And change the top bevel and bottom bevel. Top bevel. First row, apply the first bevel. Set the top and bottom bevel width and height 100 pt. Width is 100 pt. Height is 100 pt. So the bottom level is first bevel. Width is 100 pt and height is 100 pt. So the step number 7 is complete. We can move to the step number 8. So the step number 8 is display the series option and then set the angle of first slice 125 so that the salaries and benefits slice in the front of the pie. Display the series option. Display the series option and then set the angle of first slice 125. Angle of the first slice is 125. Press enter button and so that the salary and benefit slice in the front of the pie. Salary and benefit in the front of the slice of front. Select the salary and benefit slice and then explore the slice 10%. Select the salary and benefit. Explode the 10% slice. Point of explosion is 10%. Press enter the button. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the step number 9. So the step number 9 is format the chart area by applying gradient fill. Using the preset gradient in the second column, apply the first gradient. Format the border of the chart area by adding a solid line border in the last column. Format the chart area. Format a chart area. And by applying the gradient fill using the preset gradient. Go to the fill and select the gradient fill. Gradient fill using the preset gradient. Second column, apply the first gradient. Second column, first gradient. First gradient. Format the border of the chart area by adding solid line border in the last column. Collapse the fill and click the border and solid line. Border of the chart area by adding the solid line border. Last column, apply the first color. Apply the last column, first color. Solid line, last column in the first color. Change the width of 3 pt. Width of pt. Press enter. So step number 9 is complete. We can move to the step number 10. So step number 10 is display the page setup dialog box, and then for this chart sheet, insert a custom footer in the left section with the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet, go to the page layout tab and go to the page setup, custom footer, header and footer, create a custom footer. Insert a custom footer left section in the file name. Left section, center section and right section. Left section in the insert a file name. Click OK and again OK. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the step number 11. So step number 11 is display the expenses worksheet. Expenses worksheet. And then by using the quarter name and total by quarter, quarter name and total by quarter, total by quarter. Insert a line with the marker chart in the worksheet. Go to the insert tab, recommended chart, select the all chart, go to the line chart and insert a line with the marker chart. Insert a line with the marker chart. Click OK. Do not include the total. Move the chart so that upper left corner positions slightly inside the upper left corner of a cell A12. Move and drag the chart A cell A12, cell A12. Change the width of the chart 7.5. 7 and type the 7.5. Change the width of the chart 7.5 and chart title type the recreation department expenses summary. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title. Click OK. So question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. So the question number 12 is format the bound of the vertical value axis so that the minimum is 2 million. Bound of vertical value axis. Select the vertical value axis, click right click and format axis and 2 million. Copy the value and minimum or maximum, minimum, and press enter and apply the bold value. Bold the value on the vertical axis to the label horizontally axis. Bold the horizontally axis. So question number 12 is complete.